Die Cutting Essentials magazine. Now this is issue 63. Don't let that Easter basket on the cover fool you. It does take a little while to get these magazines here, but let me show you the cutting die. And it's got several dies, so you do have this octagon one, and then you've got the daffodils right there. You've got a frame. You've got words with love. All of that on the back side gives you some ideas of how you can use this also for cards. Now, let's get into the magazine and show you some things that you can do with this. To begin with, it gives you step-by-step instructions just in case die cutting is new for you, and that gives it to you right there. Then you certainly can use this to make Easter baskets, and this is a really fun look, but think a little bit more. There are other things that you can do with it. I love the look of it. Daffodils are just so wonderful to have. So let me go further into the magazine and look at this. You can make it's called Daffodil Delight. Isn't that pretty? So put a tea light in there, probably one that is battery operated, and you get a beautiful little look. So that's one thing that you can do. You can certainly use them, as it has been done here, in panels to go across a card. Just think of all that you can do with that. Or you can make a paper basket to go on top of your card. That's fun. I think a shaker card would be really fun out of that too. And we've got some other things. I wanted to show you this article because these are from Creative Expressions, and we do carry them. That beautiful floral girl with the flowers and butterflies all over her. Hope never stops. Just nice to see that in the magazine there's products that you can get right here, even though this is published in England. Now, I also wanted to show you that sometimes you'll see advertisements. We are carrying all of these products. So Card Making Magic, Christina Griffin's, we carry her products, so that's nice to share with you. Kind of fun to spot it in the magazine too. Now, here's another idea. Using this to go over the top of a bottle. I thought that was really fun, or to make it as a gift tag. Lots of ideas that you can do with it, so don't be hindered by only thinking, oh, that's just for Easter. Well, there will be an Easter next year too, just to let you know. This is called Explosions of Color, and I thought it was just so beautiful. They are using embossing powders onto chipboard and other pieces, and then doing some splattering with the shimmer shakers behind it. So just very stunning. And then you get large photographs of each one, and of course step-by-step instructions. And let me show you some more. I thought this was beautiful. These Crafter's Companion has these dies, and this is a nice way to use them, and of course we carry those, so nice to share with you that way. And we also have shadow boxes, so another way, and I thought this one with the candles was particularly interesting. And then here is a pull-out card. In fact, we just did that on a webisode not long ago. So all of the wonderful ideas, including this beautiful cutting die, set of cutting dies, is right here in Die Cutting Essentials, issue 63, right here at paperwishes.com.